There's four different models here. If you look over to the side, probably scroll up a little bit. There's four different models. A lot of times people ask, what is the difference between these four models? Well, actually the insides are all the same. They all have the same four heating elements and squirrel cage fan. They all heat 1,000 square feet. So basically the stats on them are all the same. They'll all do the same thing. The only difference between them is the Heat-A-Lot, the one all the way on the top, the one that is $349. That's a simple on-off switch on the front, and on the back there's a turn thermostat. So you turn it down cooler or hotter, down to 36 and up to 86. And there's a comfort zone in the middle, which is about the mid-70s. So you basically just play with the back, kind of feel out what you're comfortable at, leave it there, and flip the switch on and let it run. The next step up, the black plastic one, that is the $400 one, or the $399, and that has a digital display. And I'll show you here kind of how that works. It's a little more accurate with the temperature. You actually have a little remote that comes along with the plastic, and also with the walnut and the oak ones. You hit the temperature button. You see a specific number pop up. It's at 76 right now. You can go up or down. We found that customers usually say that even if they have this at 70, the thermostat in their house is up to 74 or 75. So that humid heat actually warms quite a bit more than what people are used to. So that's the first thing. Another nice thing about the digital displays is, let's say you're going to bed for 8 hours, or you're leaving for work for 8 hours, and you don't want it running all day, but you still want it warm when you get home. You can turn it off. You can hit the time button on the remote, or on the buttons on the face of the heater. Hitting enter brings it over to the hours. You can set it for 7 hours. Hit enter, and the heater will shut down for 7 hours and will kick back on an hour before you get home. So it wasn't running all day, it wasn't using energy all day, but it'll still kick on an hour before either you wake up or you get home from work, and it'll still be warm for you. So that's the difference between the Heat-A-Lot and the black plastic with the digital display. The two wood wrapped ones, the walnut and the oak, those are $450 or $449. They're just a little more expensive because they have real wood wrap on them. Some people just like to have it match their furniture. If they have like walnut or oak furniture in their home, they like it to look nice, they like it to match the rest of it. So the stats on them are all the same. They all heat 1,000 square feet. The difference is just the cabinet and how they look. Hope that answers your question.